Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix 007 first light, which requires a DirectX 12 to play. So here's what you want to do. You want to open a new Google tab and you want to type in DirectX download, and you want to click the first link, DirectX end user runtime, and to click download, and you want to click to open it, and then yes, and you want to click accept the agreement. Don't install the Bing bar, and then next, and it will install the DirectX. Note that if you're using older hardware, it might not support the DirectX 12, so you won't be able to install it properly. I already have it installed. Now I'll show you now how to check which version you have installed. You want to go to search, type in DX, and you want to click open, and it will show you here which version of DirectX you have installed. In my case, it's already 12, but if you have an older PC, you might not be able to download it and install it on your PC because your hardware only supports DirectX 11.2 or something. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix 007 first light DirectX 12 missing. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.